The cabin air filter in 2017 and 2021 Dodge Ram trucks is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, fully open the glove box. Squeeze the sides inward to release the retaining clips, or gently pull down to lower the glove box. This exposes the black plastic filter housing. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover. Pull out the old filter, noting the airflow direction indicated by arrows on the filter, usually front to back. Inspect the housing for debris and clean if necessary, avoiding vacuuming directly into the ducts. This process should take approximately 10 to 20 minutes and requires no special tools. Remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific nuances. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring it's oriented in the correct direction as indicated by the arrows. Secure the housing cover with the clips or screws. Reassemble the glove box by reversing the removal process. Start the engine and turn on the AC or recirculation. Verify that the airflow is smooth and there are no unusual odors. Dodge recommends checking the cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or annually, but you might need to replace it more often, every 12,000 to 25,000 miles if you drive in dusty conditions. OEM part numbers vary by model, e.g. 6830306AA for Ram 1500. Consider using enhanced filters with antimicrobial coatings or activated carbon for improved air quality and odor absorption. Regular replacement prevents reduced AC performance and potential HVAC system strain.